What is up, YouTube? It's just another daily recap here. Today was another green day. I think this was 3 days in a row that we've had some green days strung together. So, looking a lot better here the last few days than we did when we started. So, feeling pretty optimistic about things. Made some slight changes that I think have improved the trading a bit. So, I'm going to continue to hammer in and focus on those. I'll go over what those changes have been. And yeah. So there was a couple trades today that I took, a couple trades that I wish I took or should have taken, etc. And I will touch on those right now. So coming into the open, I was looking for this level to short. I tried, and my Ninja Trader froze. That's in the live video. You could see it. I tried taking entry right at this CE right here at 38. Would have been risking up here about 10 points. Target was down at these lows, and as you see, 3 minutes later, we absolutely flushed. Regardless, we did find an entry here. We went short. It looked something along the lines of this, risking 10 points. PT was here, but as we swept the lows here for about 20-ish points, I did lock the trade here, something like this. So this is what that trade looked like. And then as we came down here, we swept the sell side liquidity, which was a golden level for me, which meant there needed to be action taken. No excuses, if hands or buts about it. We got this IFEG back above it, wick down to the CE. We took this long again. PT was 30 points. I believe I actually locked on the break at these highs for about 18 points. So those were the two trades that I took, 2 for 2. I hesitated on this trade, and then I was out of here at 7:30. Oh, sorry, at 7:30, so I didn't take this trade, but I called these three out saying that they were good trades. Didn't actually take them though, so they don't really count. Nonetheless, the changes that I've made is I sized down, and I've actually made the most I've had yet in a single session. Largely because I didn't hesitate. I didn't hesitate to try to take this trade. I didn't hesitate on this one. I didn't overthink the fact that, oh, this could stop me out. I didn't hesitate here and think, oh, well, what if we do keep rolling? I took what my gut said. I took what the system says to do, and I just traded the trade. So I'm going to keep doing that the rest of this week, sizing down a little bit and just trying to trade the trade better, or just enter the trade, if you will, and then also see the trade through more. I think being in drawdown and stuff like that has made me more eager to take profits on the moves. I need to see them through. As you see, if I would have got in here, this was a huge, I don't know, 150-ish point trade. Same thing here. I had PT down here. I locked up most of it, yes, but again, it went like 45 points here. I only locked up like 23. And then to the lows, it went like 75. Um, and then same thing on this trade. Nailed this long here. PT was like 60 points and it went there, and it actually, in fact, it went really like 130 points. So there was a lot more profit left on the table. So I'm not super like stoked and jazzed up about the day. I'm happy with better execution, a better win rate, good trades and stuff, but I need to execute better and manage the trades better. But for right now, just gonna keep focusing on flowing with the market, taking the entries that need to be taken, and then worry about the longevity of the trades and seeing them all the way through later. Um, what is it called? TradeZella still isn't working for whatever reason. I'm still working with them on this in their support team and trying to figure that out. But I do have, hold on, do have this for you that has been updated again. So 1, 2, 3 green days in a row. Today was actually somewhere closer to like 425, I think. But I'm just putting the ending balance of my lowest of my accounts. So it is showing 395. The lowest amount of trailing I have is 1705. I think my best one's like 1800 or so. Um, but we're working off our lowest account always. So that's the number you're going to see. So 1705 and trailing, definitely workable here. We can string together another day or two, and we should be able to get these accounts at least back to flat. 2 PT, we have 3700. Yeah, so it is what it is. About 700 or so to get back flat on these accounts. I would love to end the week at least flat on these accounts and then just go give me 2 weeks after we've gotten through the storm to finish the mission. That is the goal. That is the plan. A $700 day can happen on any given day, any given trade, as you've seen today. So not too stressed out. We are down about 24% on the journey from our starting balance, as you can see, is the best we've been since day one. So we're making some improvement here. We've really fought through the storm here. Had some red days, had some green days. We're officially 3 red days, 3 green days on the journey. I do suspect that's going to skew way more in the favor of more green days than red days here shortly. So I'm hoping we can put a string of wins together, some good trades, some good wins, and see where we look at. And again, just want to remind you guys, I am going to be running this journey into the payout. So I will have to update this document. It's going to probably have to be beyond the 22nd, as I was originally anticipating a payout here on the 20th. But realistically, that's just not in the cards at this point. I struggled way too hard early. We're going to have to push it back. The target is now the 5th. Target is now the 5th, which is 5, 10, 15, 18 trading days away. So just going to do a little quick math here. If we need to get 3,700, call it, right here, right? Divide that by the next 18 trading days. We need to average like $200 a day. Completely possible. If we're talking about just getting simply to a payout, we need 3,000. From here, basically, call it. So boom, you divide that by 18, you're looking at like 166 a day. So very possible here. Just going to expand the horizon a bit. Keep trading the trades. Keep taking the day by day, trade by trade at a time, and see how it unfolds. And hopefully it unfolds in our favor. And yeah, so again, thank you to everyone that's been tuning in to the lives and these recaps and stuff like that. Appreciate the support, and I have a good feeling here in the next few days we're gonna be green here and go for the real goal. So till then, I will see you guys in the morning. More live trading as always. I will catch you guys tomorrow. Peace out.